they call me. I promise that you never be lonely.
Hey guys, it's your girl Nicole and welcome back to another video. So a few weeks ago I did a room tour and you saw my room, you know, with the animal print and whatever. Oh, there's Amina. And basically I was going to change my room. I just wanted you guys to see my room before I changed it. And what is this? Hold on. Okay, so I'm back. And yeah, so that was basically an unfinished room tour. And so I'm gonna show you my kind of finished room tour. I don't know what else I'm gonna put in my room, but whatever I put, I'll show you guys. So here it is, guys. So I'm about to open the door and you're gonna see my room. I have this feature on my phone where it zooms out, and I'm kind of close to my door, so I needed it. But when I go in my room, I hope it doesn't show my whole room. Okay, you guys. So we're going to. I will post some clips. I mean, not post. I'll put some clips in the video of what my room looked before we changed it. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you guys. So when you first walk in, you still see this. We're thinking about changing it though. Yeah, hold on. Okay, but yeah. So when you first walk in, it's still this same thing, but except for on this side, I moved that white stand over there. With my school books and everything in, and I put this lamp right here. It's kind of leaning because Amina won't leave it alone, but yeah, hold on. Oh, you guys saw it. Okay, so over here, my closet, you already know that, the white stand, and then I have my Eiffel Towers and stuff up there. Right here is my desk that needs to be, it has to get the stain on it to cover these up. But I have my fake plant here, and then this speaker, and then my remote controls are here. And everyone has a messy drawer, so this is my messy drawer. I don't know what to do with it, so it's just there right now. I'm gonna clean it out eventually, but I think this is the drawer where I'm gonna put my cords once I get like some containers to put in it. Down there is like where I keep my computers and my bath towels. Ow, I hurt my finger. And yeah, so then behind you, we still have this kiss mark here. I gotta clean this wall off. We have my not my nightstand, but my Chester. It's gonna be painted black this week, and I'll show you guys. But if you want to see it before, like I post the video, follow me on my Instagram. Link will be down below. Okay. Then I moved my fan over here. It's normally facing this way because I got this in my room. Basically, it blacks out all the sunlight. So my room isn't that hot anymore. And so my fan is normally turned this way. Over here is the other side of my bed. I actually cleaned this wall because we're going to hang some shelves up here. And now I'm going to show you guys the thing that changed most in my room. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Here's my bed. Okay, so basically this is the same bed frame, same footboard, same sideboard, same headboard, but alright, yeah, so it's the same thing. We just spray painted it black. And then here are my comforter. Here's my comforter that I've been posting on Instagram. It's finally on my bed and it's so pretty. So it just says Paris. That's the only part of my comforter that's in English, and then the rest is in French, and I really like it. If I really wanted to know what it says, I can just use Google. Okay, so yeah, I bought this blanket from Walmart. It's super soft, and I got it white to go with my room theme. My room colors. It's actually really cheap, and it's actually a really nice cover. My this right here is in French too, and this too. This above my bed. So basically, it's Marilyn Monroe. Ow! I just hit my waist. Okay, so right here it says keep smiling because life is a beautiful thing, and there's so much to smile about. Then it has Marilyn Monroe's signature, and then a kiss mark like she kissed the paper or whatever. Ouch. And then over here we have like a kind of a picture. It's just like her face basically. And then they didn't give us a mole, so we went to Walmart and we got a mole to put in on her face. So yeah. I was gonna say something, I don't remember. Oh yeah, okay, so basically I know I have more Paris stuff in my room than Marilyn Monroe. But so we're gonna get like some Marilyn Monroe pillows and stuff. And then I'm gonna get a Paris lamp right here, and that's the last thing of Paris I'm gonna get. And then I'm gonna get like a mannequin right here with a tutu on it. That's gonna be like Marilyn Monroe. And then we might take this back. And yeah, and then my pictures are gonna be hanging on the wall. And then right here I'm gonna get a shelf. And then those Eiffel Towers over there, hold on, those Eiffel Towers right there, we're gonna get those and hang them on this wall. And then yeah, but it kind of looks like I have more Paris stuff in my room than Marilyn Monroe because my comforter is Paris. But I do have a lot of Paris stuff in here. Like this and that is supposed to be Marilyn Monroe. But this just looks like it doesn't belong here. So that's why we're going to take it back. Also, I took the desk out of my room because it just took up so much space. I thought I really wanted it in here, but I really didn't. This white stand, I moved it from being right here because I didn't realize that I could have moved it right there. I don't know why I didn't realize that, but I could have moved it right there and put my lamp right here. I really don't like my lamp being right here, but it's just gonna be here for right now. Actually, oh, give me a second, I gotta fix this. Okay, it took me a little while to fix it, but it's leaning horribly. Look at that. That's a horrible lean. That's really, really bad. My mom will fix it when she come home. Anyways, but yeah. So, I'll show you guys everything else as it gets into my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of finished room tour. Like, comment, and subscribe. And, yeah, I post whenever I feel like it. Alright, bye.